Good morning, children. Yes, last right. ಕಳೆದ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು in grammar? What you learned in the previous class? Can you remember? What did you learn? Yes, simple future and future continuous. Those sub tenses you learned in the class, in the last class. Okay. Simple future ಮತ್ತು future continuous ಅನ್ನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay. So before going to continue the tense, means future tense, tell me what is the simple future formula? What is the simple future formula? Anyone tell me? Simple future the formula in. What is the formula of simple future? Yes. Tell me anyone. What is the simple future formula? At least what are the helping verbs are there? Come on, tell me. What are the helping verbs are there? Yes. Subject, shall or will, then given. Is it understand? It is the formula of what? Present, future continuous or simple future? Which formula it is? It is simple future formula. Here shall and will helping out. Okay, then future continuous formula. Come on, tell me. Yes, future continuous formula. Subject, shall or will, then be V1 plus ing. Okay. Subject, shall or will, then be is there, V1 plus ing. That is the formula of future continuous. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ shall or will ಇದೆ, then be ಇದೆ, after that V1 is there, after V1 what is that? ing is there. Okay, is it understand? So let's go to next one. Let's go to next one, future perfect. What is future perfect? Let's see. What is future perfect? Future perfect. Look at the board. What I am going to write on the board. When a tense is used to show that some action will be finished in future, that is called future perfect. So in this class what we are going to write down, all the things we have to write down in HW. When we will send a few PDF file, that things we have to write in CW. Is it understand? Okay, let's come to the point. What is the future perfect formula? Sorry, first definition you have to read. When a tense is used, show that some action will be finished in the future. Is it understand? Okay, that is called what? Future perfect. Okay, what is the future perfect here? The definition is there. Okay, let's see the definition formula. Subject, shall or will, then have, then V3. Okay, subject, shall or will is there, then have is there, then after have what is that? V3. V3 means past participle. Okay, V3 means what? Past past participle. Let us see the example. Look at the board. I will, I shall, I shall have, I shall have brought, bring, V3, brought a car. I shall have brought a car. Okay, then second one. She will have sent a letter. Then look at the third example. We will have left his bag. He will have left his bag. Then Manu will have seen. Sees a scene, a picture. Manu will have seen a picture. Then fifth one. Sahana will have, okay, played chess. See here, just look at the example. These are example of future perfect. These are in assertive sentence. These are in assertive sentence. Is it understand? The definition is there. After that, formula is there. So 5 examples are here. Okay. Let us see how to make negative and interrogative in future perfect. Next is the negative. Subject shall or will, then not have, then will be. So here subject shall or will, not have, then will be. So according to formula, just write two sentences. Here I shall not have. Don't write have after the not. So ಅರ್ಥ have ಅಂದ್ರೆ not ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Before have you have to write not. Okay, I shall not have sent a gift. I shall not have sent a gift. Then doctor will not have examined the patient. Examine the patient. Is it understand? So let us look at the interrogative. Then shall or will, then subject have, then V3, then question mark. Examples: shall I have, shall I have sent a gift, question mark. Then second one, how you make that interrogative? Come on, tell me. Will doctor not, sorry, will doctor have examined Be patient. Okay. Just like we have to do negative and interrogative in future perfect. Is it understand? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಈ ತರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಗೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. The formula is there. Just formula is very important. Without formula, maybe you get the confusion. So you should be practice tense. Each tense is very important. So each tense also you have to practice perfectly. Okay. After future perfect, what is that? Future perfect continuous. Next is what? Future perfect continuous. So let us see what is future perfect continuous. What is future perfect continuous? An action will have been progress in future. Do you understand? An action will have been progress in future, that is called future perfect continuous. Formula: subject shall or will, then have been given plus ing. Okay. What is the formula is there? Subject shall or will, then have is there, been given plus ing. Okay. Then let us see example. They will have been doing their job. They will have been doing their job. Monkey will have been eating fruits. Monkey will have been eating fruits. Let's see third one. I shall have been teaching English grammar. I shall have been teaching English grammar. Let's take one more example. The boy have been cutting the stone. Cutting the stone. So these are future perfect continuous example. Actually, these are in assertive sentence. These are what type of sentence? These are assertive sentence. ಏನಾಗಿದವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ assertive sentence ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾವೆ. Okay. Let us see negative. What is next? Negative in future perfect continuous. Subject shall or will not have been given plus ing. Is it else? Subject shall or will, not is there. After not, you have to write have, then been given plus ing. Let us see the example. I shall not have been drinking. Okay. I shall not have been drinking. Then he will not have been searching. Third one. She will not have singing. Is it understand? This like you have to write negative in future perfect continuous. Let's see how to make the interrogative. Subject first initially shall or will, then subject have been given plus ing after that question mark. Okay. Subject sorry shall or will, after that subject have, then been given plus ing. You can understand. Let's see the example. Shall I have been catching the ball? Question mark. Shall I have been catching the ball? Then will he have been? Will he have been cutting flower? Then third one. Will they have been doing their work? Their work. So this like you have to do what you have to do. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Is it understand? Totally tense is completed. How many tense are there? Tense means what? What is tense? Come on, tell me anyone. Tense means what? Tense means sense of time. Tense means what? Sense of time. Totally how many tenses are there? Main tenses. I am not asking subtenses. Main tenses I am asking you. How many main tenses are there? How many tenses are there? Yes. Main tenses are 3. What are the 3 main tenses? ಮೂರು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? ಮೂರು ಕಾಲಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? Come on, tell me. Present tense, past tense, ಮತ್ತೆ future tense. Present, past and future. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಉಪಕಾಲಗಳದಾವ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾಲಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಕಾಲಗಳು ಅದಾವ. ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ? How many sub tenses in each main tense? Yes, 4. Of course. How many sub tenses are there in main? 4. simple future, sorry, simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. That's like in past, simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Then come to future, simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮನ್ನು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ? V1, V2, V3. V1, V2, V3. It is called work form. It means V1 means present, then V2 means past, then past participle, past participle. Is it understand? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. V1 means present tense, V2 means past tense, then V3 means past participle. So look at the board. Present, past and past participle. For example, call. What is the V2 of call? Called. Here also called. Push. What is the V2 of push? Pushed. Here pushed. Then here take walk. Walk. Here walked. Then here also walk. These are what type of verb? Can you remember? Yes. These are what type of verb? Main verb, helping verb, that is okay. Actually, in the grammar, one word we have to call them. What is that? These are regular verbs. Regular verbs just in the past and past participle end with ed. End with what? Ed. Okay. It is there, right? So regular verbs has a particular pattern. Is it as, for example, called. Only if we had what here had. There also had. Okay. So regular. So let us see what is irregular. Regular and irregular. So regular is okay. Irregular, how? For example, go. What is the V2 of go? Went. Then V3, go, went, gone. So here totally different from present, past and past participle. Totally three tables are also different. Then write, wrote, then next return, next sing, sang, here sung. Then take one more example. Drink. Drink of V1. What is the V2 of drink? Drink, drank, then V3 is drunk. Does it understand? The first three are regular verbs, next four are irregular verbs. Is it now? Is it getting? Okay, homework. What homework you have to do? Homework you have to do. Just write 50 word forms. Word forms. This like. This like you have to write 50 word forms. Does it understand? It is your homework. Okay. See you in the next class with the new chapter. Until take care of your